It is Severe Weather Preparedness Week in Georgia, and today the focus is on tornadoes. In recent years, the South has seen its share of violent tornadoes, ones that are harder to see and sometimes moving at faster speeds. Here is Storm Team 3 Chief Meteorologist Kris Allred.
They are nature's most violent storms. Spawned from powerful thunderstorms, tornadoes can be deadly and destructive. And here at home, back in April, we saw the strongest tornado in all of 2022. On April 5th, an EF4 tornado with wind speeds of 185 miles per hour hit parts of Bryan County. The tornado's path ran for almost 15 miles, beginning just west of the Bryan County Courthouse in Pembroke and then traveling just beyond I-16. At the tornado's widest, it measured a distance of 1,300 yards. One person was killed, there were several injuries, and many lost their homes. Well, last year, there were only 3 other EF4 tornadoes. One was in Iowa, and there were 2 that crossed from Texas into Oklahoma. Now, while our EF4 tornado was rare, it's a reminder that our area is prone to tornadoes, and we have to be ready for them all year long. So when severe weather develops, you may have to act fast, and you will need a plan. First, have a way to receive storm warnings. Do not depend on sirens. That's because these are meant to be heard outdoors and may not be loud enough to wake you in the middle of the night. Instead, you have to have other ways to stay informed, like a cell phone. Download an app like the WSCB Weather app. Use a weather radio, and you can always watch us here on WSAV News 3. Next, you need to know what to do. The safest place to be is on the lowest floor of your home, school, or business. You want to get to an interior room like a closet, a hallway, or a bathroom. And stay low to the ground and cover yourself with blankets, pillows, or a mattress. And do not stay in a mobile home. Finally, know the difference between a tornado watch and a tornado warning. A tornado watch means that tornadoes are possible. You need to be alert and ready to act. A tornado warning means that a tornado has been spotted, or radar indicates that there is storm rotation. A warning means you need to act now, so get to your safe place immediately.